welcome back to Chasing Trains, downtown Plant City. We got a penny this time, and we got a railroad spike right there. And I'm waiting until the train comes. I think it's an Amtrak, it's A41. And we're gonna do another penny, just in case if someone flies off. We're gonna do it right here. Perfect. What I just found inside the train tracks. But this is gonna be in the videos now. Welcome back to Chasing Trains. Here comes that train. It should be running over the pennies now. Here it comes. There goes A41, Amtrak.